Finished up the two Super 12s. They're definitely not perfect, but really anything's an improvement over what they were before. So I think they turned out pretty decent. I mean, what I had to work with wasn't perfect. Like this one here has, you know, like a hole in the frame. You know, hoods are not perfect. I mean, the frames are a little crummy looking if you get up close to them, you know, stuff like that. But it kind of is, you know, what it is. At least they're back up and going again. They start pretty good. That one definitely starts better than this one. This one would probably start better if I put a new starter generator belt on it. But I'll start this one for you too. Yeah. So that one could use a little bit more work. I actually switched the carburetors between the two to see if it was the carburetor or if it's the engine itself. And it runs the same if I switch the two carburetors, so I don't know. But I'll figure that out eventually. So yeah, that is going to be it for this one. And there'll be some pictures as well as some video of these to get to this point. And here's that, and thanks for watching.